Hello guys, alam niyo yung kakantahin natin ngayon? The title of the song is Sing. So I gonna sing. I gonna sing. I'm Sir Parts. Welcome to Sir Parts Show and I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing by the Carpenters and I guess I am familiar with this particular song and I don't know the title, but I heard this one, so I'm gonna sing this one. I'm gonna sing. So I hope you enjoy, and we're going to have an interpretation after our singing. And I hope you enjoy our Sir Part show. We have the song, the singing of the sing, and after that, we're going to interpret in Tagalog so that you will understand. Ayan. Thank you very much. Ayan. Station of this sing song. I sing a sing. I sing the sing. I sing. Okay, so sing a song. So kanta ka ng kanta. Sing out loud. Oh. Ano yan? So sing out loud. Ibig sabihin, magkanta ka ng napakalakas. Sing out loud. Ah, ano ba 'to? Mm. Mega ano yan? Sing out strong. Magkanta ka ng malakas. Magkanta ka ng loud. Sing of good things not bad. O yun. Ang kantahin lang puros mga good, hindi bad. Sing of happy not sad. Kantahin na yung mga maligayang kanta, hindi yung mga malulungkot. Sing a song. Kanta ka ng kanta. Make it simple. Uh, make it simple, basahin mo lang. To last your whole life long, para tataas yung buhay mo. Don't worry that it's not good enough. Wag kang okay lang na wala sa tono. Ayun yung mean, okay lang. Don't worry that it's not good enough. Okay lang na wala sa tono. For anyone else to hear, sa lahat na nakakinig, para makinggan yun at mairita sila. Ayun guys. Ano yun? For anyone, don't worry that it's not good enough. Okay lang na yabag. For anyone else to hear. Para yung mga iba ay matakot. Or for anyone else to hear, upang mapakinggan yung yabag mo. Just sing a song. So kanta ka na lang ng kanta. Ayun. Ito yung maganda yung next guys. May la 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 la. Ano man yan guys. So la 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 is ano yan? Si Lola daw. Tinawag si Lola dahil sasali sa kanta. Oo, to. Sing a song. So kanta ka ng kanta. Sing of love, there could be. Sing of love, there could be. Anto, sing of love, there could be. May kanta na para ikaw ay may in love. Yun. Tapos sing for you and for me. Yun, kakanta ka para sa sarili mo at sa partner mo. Sing a song, kanta ka ng kanta. Make it simple. Okay lang, make it simple. Basahin mo na lang kung di mo kaya ang tono. Make it simple. To last your whole life long, para tataas yung buhay mo. Don't worry that it's not good enough. Okay lang na yabag. For anyone else to hear, para yung lahat ay matakot. Para yung lahat magsiuwian. Ayan. Just sing a song. Sige, kanta ka lang ng kanta. Okay. Just sing. Kanta ka lang. Kanta ka lang ng kanta. Just sing, kanta ka lang ng kanta. Tapos dito may la 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 la. Ito guys, itong la 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 la. Yun, make it simple. Nakalimutan niya yung next na lyrics, hindi niya natapos, no. So ginawa niya, nilagyan lang niya ng la. So pwede yan technique guys, pag gumawa kayo ng kanta tapos di niyo natapos, lagyan na lang ng la la la. At para di ma-copyright, pwede din lo 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 lo. Mama 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 mama. Pwede din mo 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 mo. Ayan guys, thank you very much yung interpretation natin. I hope you enjoy. Ano lang tayo guys, patawa lang tayo. Yan, just sing a song. Kanta lang, kanta ka lang ng kanta. Ayun, yun si Yubin. Maraming salamat guys. Ayan, si Yubin. Oy! Ayan. Bye everyone!